Greetings, thanks for watching our video. We're at 48025 Birdsong. Today we've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. This home has had a ton of remodeling done. It has a new boiler, a new furnace, new hot water heater, has a new septic, a new well. It has all new windows, all new doors, and all new floors. So amazing, it's like a brand new home. It is about 1,345 square feet. And it's on an acre outside of Soldotna, between Soldotna and Kenai. So it's a few miles to Soldotna, a few miles to Kenai. Really great location. It's got some trees in the lot and a lot of wildlife. Since we've been here, we've seen eagles and birds and other moose cruising through. Lots of moose tracks in the yard. So a lot of wildlife in the neighborhood. It's a pretty quiet neighborhood. Little older, more mature homes. And they've been here a while, and just a nice sunny layout. So the home also includes a guest cabin or a mother-in-law cabin, or it could be a rental cabin. It's on the property, and it's a 1-bedroom with a loft. Plus downstairs it has a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living room area. It's really cute. Currently brings in $875 for the current owners. Thank you for watching our video, and have a great day.